Now we have this line separating the two classes, the accepted class and the rejected class, and the line separating the two classes. This line called the model, our model. So the question now, how to find this model for this line. So let's do some math here. Suppose this line intersects here with this point 8. If we label this axis as x1 variable and this axis x2, so the equation for the line will be 2x1 plus x2 minus 16 equals 0. Or you can say the score of the student equal 2 times x1, which is the test, plus x2, which is the grade, minus 16. And we can say our prediction which is our score we want to know, greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, then we accept the student. And if prediction of the score is less than 0, we reject the student.